doing a quick update on the grow lights and the heated mat. So I would really like to get these out. I mean, as you can see, these tomatoes are desperate. I've got some courgettes here, absolutely desperate to go. In fact, they are on the cusp of flowering. They want to make fruit, but they are still in this tiny but water bottle still. So but it's definitely, I don't think, warm enough yet, even in the greenhouse, because they won't be able to go on the heated seed bench because I have my dahlias on there. So courgettes, aubergines here. These are watermelon. Really pleased with how these are coming on. They are drying out so quick on this heated mat. I had to really soak them all yesterday. These are cucumbers, again, desperate to go out, but I need to get to sort of mid-April. So the date today is 27th of March. I need them really to get to mid-April to see those temperatures just warm enough that they'll be okay in the greenhouse. These are some more watermelon here. These are some tomatoes that I have potted up, and again, I mean, they're doing great, but they are really struggling. They're trying to vine. They want to grow up. They need more space. Most of this shelf, I think, is those tomatoes. If I just take this light off here, if you want to see my grow light, my cheapest grow lights, which are these, video, I will show you that. I will link it below. Here's some more tomatoes here. So you can see they're okay. They're greening up nicely, but they desperately need more space. I got some supermarket basil, and after using it, I planted it up, and I just don't think it's really doing anything. I struggle with basil. I have got some basil seeds here that I'm going to grow from seed. And then on the bottom, so that's tomatoes, two types of tomatoes. I've got Roma there. What were these ones? I do have the label somewhere. Let me tell you, it's here. Ruby Falls. That's the ones I potted up. And they're the Roma. And these are the watermelon. Yeah. So then on the bottom layer, I have Lisianthus. So the only flower remaining now on the heat bed. And look at the different stages they're all at. And I think this is because I had, I did them in these foil trays. And, you know, due to the nature of having all these different pots on here, they got pushed around and it wasn't flat like a heavy duty plastic seed tray. So I think you can see where they had the best contact with the warmth and the water. This one has done really well, but not too bad. I mean, I had 15 of each variety. So I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the white growing there. And then I've got there was kind of one that failed just next to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that diddy one coming late there. 7 of the Echo Pink. What is it called? Echo Pink F1 Lisianthus there. And this is the first time I've grown Lisianthus. So I've seen videos and people talking about how difficult they are. So I'm just going to leave them here. I just water them every day. I pour water in between these trays. This one has drainage holes. This one doesn't. So I just pour the water in here till I'm sure it's touching the soil. And then I just leave them to it. I'm not in a great rush to put those out because I know they need it to be much warmer outside. So then I have some peppers here. What are these peppers? Did I not label them? Seems like I didn't label them. Oh, yes, I did. Oh, no, they're tomatoes. Oh, these are the ones for my hanging baskets. I'll link that video below. I've done some salad in my hanging baskets for the greenhouse. And these were the tomatoes I wanted after the salad was done. I've got some more of the tomatoes, the Ruby Falls tomatoes there, because I potted them up, they've taken up so much space. Oh, actually, I was wrong. There is some more flowers. Persicaria orientalis, doing really well. I'm actually really nannying those because I've had so many fails. pepper, sweet red cherry, and some more aubergines at the back with a rogue so many snapdragon seeds, look. They get everywhere. Oh, it's not that one. Hang on. Which one is the one with the snapdragon? Here, these are aubergine first early. And there's the snapdragon. And that's the great thing about collecting seeds, you know. You just end up with so many. It just, you know, you can just plant so many more things than if you just have to always resort to buying your seeds from the shop. Oh, some more peppers there. So, and I think I mentioned in a previous video, the reason I wanted the aubergines, courgettes, peppers was because I cook a lot of ratatouille. And, you know, I want to be able to, it's so expensive to make from just buying all the veg fresh from the supermarket that I thought, you know what, I'm actually just going to grow my own. So there you are. That's everything on the heat bed. And you can see, just to finish, how the heat mat and the lights are pretty effective. The only thing is, you know, I look back now and I think I started them too early because I've got to keep them going, especially these courgettes. I'm definitely going to start those a few weeks later next year because they're just struggling so much and I cannot, they're desperate to flower and fruit and I cannot separate them, pop them on or put them out yet because it's just still too nippy at night. They'd probably be okay in the greenhouse in the day. So there we are. That's everything left on my mat, and I'll see you again in my next video. When this is all cleared off, it's going to be full of basil. I'm going to just use this for basil all year round. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Bye.